dad went all the way over here to Chinatown.
Yeah. Let's see. Is there anybody at that bus stop?
Can't see. Can't see.
Okay. What about this?
Yeah. Homeless.
one?
Just leave her alone.
Let's see. We're gonna make a U-turn.
Wait, I do it at the lady?
I saw two ladies walking a dog.
Oh, the dog's gonna get scared.
Yeah. So we'll get those two ladies walking the dog, right?
And that lady goes at the... Oh, they're getting the bother. Look the guy.
Okay, well they're up here, okay? See? Alright. She said something, what'd she say?
I don't know. There's another guy right here. Are you recording?
Yeah, there's a group of people right here. Oh yeah.